So we will be changing the engine oil of our motorcycle, guys. So needing some important tools here. So I have these tools. We need an oil filter. We need this one. So this time I'm using Mobile Supermoto. So I have 1 liter and an extra one because it would take 1.2 liters. So this one, let's clean this part here. This is a magnet, the dirt from the metals. It will attach here. You will make sure you clean this. Okay, so here we're done with the changing of oils now. If you can see the level of the oil. Okay, so that one. So here's our piece now. So thank you for watching.